What's up, Infosphere fam? Today we're exploring a platform that allows you to earn real income online through micro tasks and freelance gigs.
Infosphere.
We're talking about a site I've used for over a year, and I can tell you straight up, it's not a scam. It actually pays. This is a strategic way to build a side income stream, and it's called SproutGigs. So SproutGigs is basically this massive online marketplace. Think of it like a crowdsourcing hub where businesses and people need small, simple tasks done, and you get paid to do them. They call them micro jobs, and they're so easy anyone can do them. It's the kind of work you can do on your couch while you're binging a show. First things first, you gotta get in. The sign-up process is super straightforward. Just hit that sign-up button, fill in your info, make sure you use your real details, because they're strict about that. Once you're verified, your account is live, and you're ready to start making money. Once inside, you'll find a clean interface with a wide variety of job categories. You can filter and select the work that best suits you. My personal favorite categories, and the ones I find most accessible, are SEO. Here, you'll be paid to visit specific websites, read articles, and interact with web pages. It's a simple, non-technical way to get started. Next, video marketing. This is a fantastic entry point. You earn by simply watching YouTube videos, liking them, or subscribing to channels. All right, let's talk numbers. I know you're wondering what the real-world earning potential is here. While SproutGigs won't replace a full-time salary, it's a powerful tool for consistent, supplemental income. Let's do a quick calculation based on those simple tasks we just saw. Typically, a basic SEO or video marketing task pays around 30 cents to 50 cents. If you consistently do just 10 of these tasks per day, that's a daily earning of 50 cents. Multiply that by a week, and you're looking at $3.50. Stretch that out for a month, and you've made $15, enough to cover a few small expenses. Over a year, that adds up to $182.50. Now, I know that might not sound like a lot, but this is just the baseline. Remember, this is for the lowest paying micro jobs. The real opportunity for higher income comes from more specialized tasks. Look out for jobs like Gmail account creations, sign-ups and app downloads, surveys, and offers. These tasks often pay significantly more, which can rapidly accelerate your earnings. To show you just how intuitive this is, I'm going to complete a task in real time. I've selected a job under video marketing. The instructions are clear and direct. I'll follow them precisely. I'll watch the video, answer a simple confirmation question based on the content, and submit the work. Once submitted, the payment moves to a pending status. This is a critical part of the process. The employer needs to approve the work before the funds are released. As you can see from my dashboard, a lot of my completed work has already been approved, and the payments have been credited to my account. While micro jobs are the foundation, SproutGigs offers another powerful way to earn. The platform features a freelance marketplace, much like Fiverr or Upwork. If you have a specific skill, whether it's graphic design, content writing, or data entry, you can post a gig and attract clients looking for professional services. It's a valuable feature for those looking to scale their earnings beyond simple tasks. The platform isn't just for workers, it's also a powerful tool for marketing. I'll show you how simple it is to post your own job. If you have a video you want to promote or a website you need traffic for, you can create a task, set the budget, and have a global workforce complete it for you. It's an efficient way to boost your online presence. The moment of truth. You've done the work. You've earned the money. Now, how do you get it? The withdrawal threshold is only $5, which is super low and easy to hit. They have multiple withdrawal options, including crypto and PayPal, so you can choose what works for you. Here's a look at my withdrawal history. As you can see, the process was quick and efficient. I've had no issues getting my money. So, yeah, SproutGigs is 100% legit. While you won't get rich overnight, it's a perfect side hustle for a quick, consistent income. It's easy, flexible, and you can literally do it from anywhere. If you're looking for a way to get started with making money online with no experience, this is the place. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the digital world. And let me know in the comments if you've used SproutGigs or other similar platforms. We'll see you in the next video.